create a composition. Take a new shape layer. Put the green screen clip on timeline. Here is the paper fold footage. Now import flower PNG over this layer. Then trackmate the green screen clip to flower. Applying key light effect on the green screen clip. Take this tool and click on blue part. Now select flower layer and duplicate it. Select these two layers, right click, recompose. Now duplicate the pre-comp. Then select the top flower layer and drag down to the bottom of pre-comp. Now click on Matte and select pre-comp 1. Again apply the key light effect on pre-comp 2 and click on green part with this tool. That's it.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.